Are you tired of struggling with a malfunctioning garage door? Look no further. Introducing our premier garage door repair and installation service in New Jersey. At our company, A to Z Garage Door NJ, we understand the importance of a functional and secure garage door. That's why we're here to provide you with reliable and efficient solutions. Our team of skilled technicians specializes in garage door repairs and installations. We have the expertise to handle any issue, big or small. Looking for a reliable garage door company? Choose A to Z Garage Door NJ for top-notch services. Call now, 201-292-7014. Whether you need a repair for a broken spring, damaged panels, or malfunctioning opener, we've got you covered. We work with all major brands and can find the right solution for your specific needs. Worried about the installation of a new garage door? Don't be. Our experts will guide you through the process, helping you choose from a wide selection of high-quality doors that fit your style and budget. Regular maintenance is crucial to prolonging the lifespan of your garage door. Our team offers comprehensive inspection services to identify any potential issues and ensure your doors operate smoothly. Don't let a faulty garage door inconvenience you any longer. Call 201-292-7014 to schedule a prompt repair or installation service. Trust our professional technicians to provide top-notch garage door solutions in New Jersey.